In this video, we're going to be going over the dashboard and the affiliate dashboard. We're going to start off with tab number 1, and we're going to do the most basic information first. So we're going to cover all the basic options, and then we're going to go into the more advanced stuff like the marketplace and then the automation and stuff like that. Okay, the idea of this is so you can start getting the fundamentals, learn to walk before we can all run, and it's no different when you're learning a software. We learn the absolute basics, and then once we've got that strong foundation, we then start working on it. So let's go over this. So this is your main dashboard. This is going to cover anything for your business venture. So as you can see, new leads. A lead is basically someone showing interest in a specific service that you're offering, or funnel, or ebook download, or anything. It's anything where they've inputted their information into a form that you've created and press submit. It's going to show right there. Also with Systeme, you can add your own payment systems in there, which again we'll cover down the line, and it will show you how many people have paid on the exact dates, etc. Now this is a brand new account, so obviously everything's going to be 0, and I'll kept it like that because I want to make sure that I don't lose you anywhere down the line. So it's as if this is your dashboard right now. So that's the main dashboard. Let's click on affiliate dashboard, and what you can see is you've got, so first of all, if you're curious what affiliate actually is, an affiliate is someone, it's kind of like the middleman between the customer and the service provider. So for example, I can be classed as an affiliate because I am creating this content. You've probably clicked on my link to even see this course, which means that if you purchase the software, then you've come from me, and if you registered, then you're going to show that I've sent one person, that's you, one lead, over to Systeme, and if you purchase, then I of course gain a small fee. It's 40% commission of the lifetime earnings, which is a huge gold mine for affiliate marketers. So if you actually want to earn from this software, again, I'm going to be covering all of this later down the line, but if you want to earn from this software, trust me on this. This is it's a non-saturated product at this moment in time, which means the earlier you jump in and get involved now, the bigger your earnings are going to be. So that's basically the amount of leads sent over is the amount of people that have clicked on your link and registered. Okay, and you can see every month it shows you can filter what's happened on which days. You can see here it's actually saying promote Systeme and earn 40% lifetime commissions, and then if you scroll here, trial users, 1 customer conversion, it shows you all these nice little statistics that you will want. You can also see affiliate links here. Now I think the owners of this were French, or they were predominantly marketing to a French audience, so I'm pretty sure now that they're hitting an English market, they're actually going to be changing and probably updating a huge amount of stuff on their platform. So again, it's a really fantastic opportunity to get in. If you know anything about Builderall, you know that the people who got in early on that, like Liam James Kay, for example, earned upwards of £500 a day in almost passive income once they got their systems up and running. And again, I'm going to show you how you can do that as long as you continue using my links. And if we scroll down again, you can see what sort of payments have come in, when, how many leads, what sort of tags, which we're going to go through down the line, and invoices, etc. So that's a really simple, that's the dashboard, and that's the affiliate dashboard. Next, we're going to go over contacts and tags.